death battle between my cousin and Johnny. Johnny's nickname is the Dick Fucker 99. His name's the Bitch Fucker 99. Okay, ready for death battle. We're gonna meet Johnny in a moment. That's Johnny, right? That's Johnny right there, the ghost bro. Johnny, how do you feel to be in this war right now? How good do you feel like to be in this war right now? I'm putting this on YouTube, so fuck off. How good are you being in this? Are you serious, John?
Fell on me.
Never mind. Just leave it. Sorry, guys. You fucking broke my gun. Hey, Calvin, bro. How do you feel to be in this war? Okay, good. So it's a 10-minute war, so be apprised. Calvin's 2, Johnny's 0. I'm gonna be right here. Look at this war. Johnny 1, he 0. Calvin 0. I mean, Calvin 2, he 1. John 1. Round. Go! I'm the recorder. Get used to it. Just a 1v1 test wire. How do you think we joined this one? Pastor John! Pastor John! Pastor John! I'm joining this war. Pastor Calvin! Pastor Calvin! Oh, bitch. I'm just getting up. God, you're off the friggin' spawn kill. I'm choosing my spot. I mean, afterlife mode. Pastor Calvin! Pastor Calvin! Pastor Calvin! Game over. Round 2. Start! Spectator. Round over. Game over. I guess we're good.